Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Today we're doing a house wash here in North Tampa. I got this customer from a referral, so it was cool to have not put no work in, what sort of, to get this referral. So I did a house on Monday, and the guy referred me to his friend. So I'm doing his friend's house today, doing the driveway also, just touching up some the areas of the house. It's not really that bad, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking like. So like I said, the house is not that bad. We're just gonna take a look around, document anything we see. I think I seen something over here. I'm gonna put that on camera. This part right here, you got paint, a little chip right here. Stuff like this you just gotta document. Looks good over here. It's not dirty really. It's got some stuff on the window sills. Looks like a chimney. We're doing touching up the pool deck, which is not that bad. We're gonna be doing a driveway. I need to set him on a ceiling job. You guys gonna see me do a ceiling job soon, so. But yeah, that's what we're working with. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire the pressure washer up. We start working. Alright guys, so the pool deck is all done. Like I said, I'm just doing a rinse down. It's not really that dirty. Same thing for the house, man. Just a rinse down. He does it pretty often, so there's no need to use the SH on it. Except for a few spots like these window sills. Got some algae on them. Little spots like that. I'm gonna go ahead and touch up like stuff like this here. Also note that, like the paint that came off of that. I'm not sure who did that before me. But yeah, that's all we're doing. All right, so for this, I'm just gonna use the pump sprayer. Just apply a little 50-50 mix. Add station water. Let it sit for a little bit, and I'm out of here. We're gonna do the last two sides of the house. Go back to the front, and then we're gonna do the driveway. So the window frames are the window sills are the worst thing on this house. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did on the other side. Go ahead and hit these with a 50-50 mix. one of my subscribers that I should wear a mask, and I appreciate it. You know who you are. I should be wearing a mask all the time, but a little stubborn, you know. But I'm wearing one for you today, my man. All right, guys, so we're done with the house. What we're gonna do now is the driveway. I'm gonna go ahead and put a 50-50 mix down with my 12 volt. Let it sit for about 15 minutes and start surface cleaning. Customer has some concerns about, you know, the sand coming up, because those pavers need to really be sealed. So I'm gonna have to lower my pressure down some, so I don't kick the sand up. So what I do is I crack my ball valve a little bit and then surface clean the pavers. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're gonna get started with the driveway first, since I'm spraying pretty hot. So I'm gonna have to wet everything down before I start. So I'm just gonna wet the edge of the grass. I don't want the grass to die, you know what I'm saying? So just water down the grass real good. So we're all pre-treated now. We're gonna let it sit for a little while, and I'm gonna come back with the surface clean on top of it. Guys, we are done here with this job. The house looking good. The driveway took me a little while because he had some low spots where the water wouldn't drain as good. So but it looks way better. So let's check it out. All cleaned up. Like I said, got some spots that's not draining in the middle of the driveway, but it's clean water. It will dry up. It's drying up in that corner over there. As you can tell, it's turning nice and clear. But overall, nice little project. As you guys seen, I had to stop and talk to somebody that pulled up on me. They actually live 8 houses down from here, so I'm gonna go down there and check out their driveway and give them a price. Hey, might do the job while I'm there, right? So if I get it, I'll see you guys there. If not, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.